Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Install Node, JS LTS, and confirm Node vworks. Next, create a project folder and open your terminal there so paths are simple. Then create index, JS, and write a minimal snippet such as console, log, hello, or a one-line function to test behavior. You do this now to avoid ambiguity later. Once the file exists, you can run it immediately and iterate quickly, which saves time when you move to execution. Now run your script with Node index, JS, and observe the output. This confirms the runtime and file path. If you edit code, save and rerun to see changes. For frequent edits, use NodeMin to auto-restart and speed iteration. When output is unexpected, add console, log, and clear variable names to trace logic. Make sure to check for syntax errors reported by Node and use console error for explicit error messages so you can separate normal output from faults. Finish by organizing the project. Run npm init to create package, JSON, and add a start script so npm run start launches your app. For deeper debugging, run node inspect and attach a debugger in your editor to set breakpoints and inspect variables. Once done, test edge cases and inputs to confirm behavior under different conditions. If something fails, first check the file path and node version, then scan for missing commas or unmatched brackets. Fixing syntax issues usually resolves runtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.